So look at this question here. We are being told that the gradient function of a curve is given by dy dx equals to 3 minus 4x. If a curve passes through the point that's -1 and 10, find the equation of the curve. Now, for us to find the equation of the curve at this point here, we are given the gradient function of the curve, that's dy dx 3 minus 4x. So, what we are going to do with it is that now for us to find what we call we need to integrate the function. After integrating the function, we can find its original function. Now, how can we get its original function at this point here? Now, for us to get the original function here, let us integrate the gradient function. Remember, we are told that dy dx equals to 3 minus 4x. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is now I need to integrate the gradient function so that we can find the original function. So when I can integrate this one here, it will be 3x minus 4 over 2x squared plus c, because c here it is a constant number, the one I don't know. Now here it will be y equals to 3x minus 2x squared plus c. Okay, that's it. Remember, we were given the points. -1, 10, that point. So let me use this point here to substitute so that I can get c. Okay, so this is x and y. Now it will be 10 equals to 3 times -1 minus 2 times -1 squared plus c, which it will be now 10 equals to -3 minus 2 plus c. So here it will be 10 equals to -5 plus c. Then this one comes to the left hand side. Now c equals to 15. So the equation of the curve will be y equals to 3x minus 2x squared plus 15, or you can arrange it as y equals to -2x squared plus 3x plus 15. Okay, that's now the equation of the curve.